Good morning, it's Brian at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. Maxall is here, Honda is here, Hyundai is here, Mercedes up the road. There's garages in Naas, Carlow, Tullamore. So family run business in operation for almost 70 years. The reason I'm saying that is it gives you some peace of confidence when you're spending a lot of money on a really nice car like this. You know that it's going to be an after sale service because the garage is here so long. Anyway, this car here is 1.6 ESI DTEC turbo diesel. This car is a car that we've owned on our fleet and is now for sale with a large discount. So the car is what's called passion red on the outside, so it's a really nice colour. This video, unfortunately, I shot it twice last night and the camera is really acting up, so I think I have to get a new camera, so it failed. Sorry, the reason I'm saying that to you is in the sunlight last night it was unbelievably nice looking. It's a colour that the sun is really nice to, because the deep kind of red, and it just shows up the metallic effect of it. Anyway, but you'll see it yourself if you come to look at the car, and if you buy it you get to see it every day. So right, starting at the rear while we're here. So rear of the car, nice brushed aluminium finished, and then after that parking sensors are standard on the back, chrome is standard over here, privacy glass is standard over here, privacy glass around the rear, more chrome around the windows, more brushed aluminium on the rails, and then the wheels are a diamond cut type of finish, so they have a nice reflective kind of surface. And the other cool thing is actually brake dust doesn't build up because it's black. It actually allows, rather than some cars like say a silver alloy wheel on this iX35, you know, the next couple of days whenever that gets driven, that's all going to build up grey and dirty, whereas with this it actually hides it between washes. Moving around to the front of the car, more chrome on the nose, which is really nice, and it actually links up nicely with the daytime running light parking light, so that goes all the way up and all the way around, and then it meets the grille here, same as this does here, so it actually comes together in a very congruent fashion. There's nice chrome around the fog lights and there's more brushed aluminium. So the reason I'm saying brushed aluminium all the time and chrome is when you think about it this way. There's Mark, customer of ours in the truck. If you're basically looking at the way it comes together, brushed aluminium, chrome, chrome, brushed aluminium, chrome, diamond cut kind of wheel, and then as we move around to the rear, as we were saying, brushed aluminium again down the bottom and chrome up along through here, so I think it all comes together very, very well. As we were saying, passion red is a cool colour. Right, in terms of the boot is massive, so we sell lots of different SUVs here, but this one I think is one of the biggest boots you get. The good thing about the boot is it's black, so because the boot is black, you can throw a lot of stuff in there and not be too worried about getting it dirty. So a dark boot is always good in a car, I think. Spare wheel and toolkit and all that kind of stuff is in through there. And then the other cool thing is you can grab that and the seat folds down. And if I do the same thing on the other side, it's not going to do it because I bet the safety belt is, yeah, okay, I had the armrest out, so you have to have the armrest retracted. But the good thing about these is, once the armrest is out of the way, you've got an absolutely ridiculously gigantic load area. So it's actually the same size as you see like in a light commercial vehicle, bringing us on to one of the big stars of this car, which is that interior, which is lovely, and we'll get back to that there in a minute if that's okay. So massive boot, and then load cover over through here, obviously to cover up, 12 volt outlet, securing points, and then a little bit of storage in over here as well. After that, grab handle here to close down the boot. The doors on these cars, right, privacy glass obviously, which is privacy, but open it up, you can see out very easily, so it's only from the other way around, as in when you're actually looking into the car is where the privacy part comes out. But in fairness, when it comes to night time and all that stuff, not a problem whatsoever. Some people ask that, but no, it's really nothing to worry about. Check out the wide access point. It's 90 degrees. Well, okay, right, it's probably like 80, 85 or something like that. But the access point is so good on that car, and the reason I suppose that's significant is, yes, access for adults getting in and out, but the second thing is loading up a child seat and reaching around a child and all that kind of stuff. Really, really simple. After that, that leather is so nice, like it goes together so well with that exterior colour. I think that looks really nice. And it's a nice place to be inside the car as well. It's nice and bright, and I like the contrast of the black on the carpets. Easy to keep clean, but you have the nice seating effect still. After that then, 3 head restraints, 3-point safety belts, Isofix over here, Isofix over there. You can get 3 child seats in through the back, however, and I mean inverted commas, however, it depends on the size of your child seat, and really 2 child seats and a booster is better. It is doable, we have 1 or 2 customers, but to be dead straight with you, it's not straightforward, insofar as it's a bit of a squeeze. Brian is my name, sorry, can't remember if I said that. Anyway, so the car in terms of height, yeah, brilliant, I'm about 6 foot, so that gives you an idea. And then over here, this is what you get in terms of the rear of the car. And my shoes are dirty, so we'll clean that up now. Ventilation in through there as well, kangaroo pocket. Condition of the car is perfect, but let's face it, it is a 181, so you'd expect that. Right, moving forward, inside the car, I like the way this is beige interior, but I like the way this is not. So that means, because your arm rests there quite a bit, and it's an area, we'll say, that can sustain wear over time. And the nice stitching looks really well. It's so complimentary. It looks very, very nice. In terms of the interior, that is, like, what a nice interior. It's expensive looking, and again, like I was saying, the nice contrast coming from the black looks really, really nice. Econ, which is going to reduce how aggressive the cruise control is, and the air conditioner, in so far as saving fuel. So if the cruise control is less aggressive in how it reacts, and the air conditioner is less aggressive in how it reacts, it's using less fuel. Lumbar for lower back, height adjuster for the seat, back part of the seat up through here as well. That armrest moves backwards and forwards, and it opens up to reveal USB connectors for phone and music and all that stuff. HDMI if you want to play video up on the screen in the center. After that, then parking sensors are standard front and rear, and there is an ultrasonic alarm to go with the immobiliser as well. Headlights are automated, so if I lock the car, gotta wait for about 20 seconds here I think, which is going to be a bit annoying for you, but anyway, I can tell you a joke in the meantime. Right, anyway, so just while we wait for that, lights will turn off. They're left in the automatic function. The reason I'm saying that to you is at night time, or as we get into the winter and stuff, lights go off fine. If I use the open button here, lights come back on, as you see. The other cool thing is, using the open button here, watch the windows go down, and similarly again, use the lock button here, windows go up, and wing mirrors retract. Check out that there. So when the wing mirrors are retracted, and then similarly when I open up the car, the wing mirrors will come back out. Okay, so car's travelled about 16 or so thousand kilometres. Actually that might even be true, might be less. 14.8 actually, sorry, my bad, 14.8. Heated seats, 2 stages, heated seats on the front, very nice. More access points for power, large holders for drinks area and pens and things like that. Heating controls, my side, your side, front and rear windscreen demisters, heated mirrors, all that kind of stuff in through there. Big reverse camera with different settings of where I want to have the car, where I want the camera to be. After that then Honda Connect, which is into here, and it's all touch and swipe and phone for Bluetooth and audio and all that stuff. Audio, which is radio and USB and all that kind of stuff in through there. General settings, which is internet, radio app, info is trip information, and then in here things like calculator, clock, calendar, all the kind of Android functionality. This up here, a little bit off left of it, is an iMid, which is giving you information about warnings in the car, clock, fuel efficiency, all that kind of stuff in through there as well. Clock's nice and big and bright, and these change different colours depending on how economical you're driving, which is damn cool. And then over off here I can change more trip information, average speed, fuel efficiency, all that kind of stuff in through there. Cruise control is here. Wipers are automated, so they'll come on at night. Lights are automated. Wipers are automated, so they come on when it rains. Jeez. Lights are automated, so they come on at night. Bluetooth in through there. Up through here we have a electrochromatic mirror, so if someone drives up behind you it darkens itself, and then a sunglasses holder, which is also 2 mirrors. So this mirror here for seeing what's going on behind you, this mirror here for seeing what's going on in the back seats. After that then, this steering wheel is adjustable obviously in and out and up and down and all that kind of stuff as well. And safety wise, driver, passenger, side airbags in here, curtain airbags up high. All the doors have side impact protection beams. There's anti-lock brakes, emergency brake assist, emergency brake distribution. There is also up here a little radar, and what that's doing is looking forward under 32 kilometers an hour. If it senses you haven't touched the brakes and you're coming towards something, it'll hit the brakes. 1.6 ESI turbo diesel, 120 horsepower, 300 newton meters of torque. That's actually a good engine, because there is other cars on the market which are 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, and that's one of the highest torque figures in that category, but you're still getting €200 a year for road tax, and all day long, and I'm dead serious when I say this, this is a car that's going to achieve around 50 to 55 miles per gallon, which is about 5 litres per 100 kilometres very easily. And actually we have a client that has an almost pretty much identical car to the same colour. I think he was in the 3s, like 3.8 and that kind of stuff, but I suppose he's kind of probably in the early 4s. Now he's trying his best to keep the fuel down, but it has a massive ability. But normal people, like if you're genuinely like me, an idiot, you'll still actually do very well in fuel efficiency. So that is our CRV 181. We have a grey one and we have a red one as at the time I'm talking to you. So cars are discounted from the brand new price of 37,000 euros, plus that interior is another 1,500 quid of an upgrade because it is leather and it's also heated. If you want information on the car, if you come to the garage here, please do ask for Brian. And after that then, if you want to know anything about trading in your own car, if you're down the country, 086 843 1945. Brian is my name. We can trade in any car you have and we can offer you finance, and there's warranty on the car until 2021. So damn nice car, nice example of a CRV, nice colour combination, and not a lot of these around with leather, so and especially heated seats as well. So anyway, hopefully the car's of interest. Thank you for taking time to watch. And as we're saying, 086 843 1945. Brian is my name. Thank you for taking time to watch.